Lights flickered. Doors slammed shut. Then the message appeared. The smartest must kill the rest. Panic spread instantly. Screaming. Accusations.
These manga-style story videos are getting millions of views right now. And they look like they took days to create. But the truth is, they're built using a simple AI workflow. Look at these storytelling channels! Many of them reuse existing manga. And a lot of creators are doing the same thing with the same content. But here's the difference. We're creating fully original AI-generated manga. Dark manga stories, emotional visuals, cinematic narration, and they consistently pull massive views. Most people assume this requires drawing skills, or a full animation team. It doesn't. People don't just watch these videos. They feel them. Mystery, tension, twists. That's what keeps retention high. And high retention is what pushes your videos to millions. Now let me show you the exact system. Step 1 idea. Open ChatGPT. Use a structured idea prompt. You're not looking for a story, you're looking for a hook. Something like, what if your lifespan appeared on your arm at 16? Now take that idea and run your script prompt. Generate a 10-15 panel structure. Each panel includes scene, emotion, and dialogue. This becomes your blueprint. Step 2. Character system. Now move to character creation. Use your character prompt. Generate a full character sheet first. Front view. Expressions. Now open Whisk AI and generate your character. Then drag it into the character reference box. Do this for all main characters and keep them saved as references. Step 3. Panel generation. Now take each panel from your script and convert it into an image prompt. Use your panel prompt structure. Keep everything consistent. Same character, same style, different scenes. Generate all sense, one by one. Each panel should feel like a cinematic moment. Step 4. Narration. Now, go back to ChatGPT and run your narration prompt. Then open ElevenLabs. Go to text-to-speech. Paste your narration script. Choose a curiosity or storyteller voice. Keep it calm and cinematic. Step 5. Editing. Now open CapCut. Import your panels and voice. And this is the most important rule. Don't cut by time. Cut by narration. Each line equals panel change. Add slow zoom, subtle transitions, low background music. Keep it clean. Export in 1080p. Upload on YouTube Shorts. You can also post on Reels and TikTok. Use titles like, "This system controls your life." Post consistently. This isn't just content creation. It's a repeatable system. Once you understand the prompts, you're not making videos manually anymore. You're running a content engine. And the earlier you start, the bigger the advantage.